In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your caption colors. This is the video we want to add captions to it. So I'm going to click on text here and scroll down here, and where it says dynamic text, I'm going to quickly add captions. So it's all of videos with audio one, so it's only one clip I have on my page. I'm going to click on generate captions. It has finished generating my captions, and you see the default color of the caption is always this purple color. If I say I want to change this, what I'm going to do is to go over to my brand kit, and I will tap on this shuffle on that color palettes here. If you set your brand kit, you're going to see this. If you don't have a brand kit, you can set it up. Now if I click on shuffle, you see it changed the color, and if you look at this base part, you see that all the colors change all at once. I can choose to drag this and drop it down here. I can choose to expand it further and go over to position it to the middle. Yeah, it's positioned on the middle. The colors you've inputted to your brand kit helps you to change the caption color all at once. So let's go back into caption. If we go over to effect, we want to add a lift effect, and we'll make that to go to the highest. If you're using a Canva free account, just like I'm using now, so I changed my accounts. The first one I demonstrated was with my pro account, so this is my Canva free account. So let's quickly caption this video and change the colors all at once. I'm going to go to text again here and click on caption. I'll click on generate captions. Now to change the color of this caption, just quickly drag this down. I'm going to click on effects here. The effect it came with is the background effect. You see it's highlighted here. I'm just going to tap on it. It changes it to black. But I don't want to add this effect to it. I want to add an outline effect to it. I'm going to click on this outline here, and it changes this whole color. And I'm going to take the thickness. I want the thickness to be large to 200. And I'm going to change the color to black. And if you want to edit the captions, all you just need to do is to click on the caption and go over to here where it says captions. It brings out all the captions by the side here. You just quickly tap on which one you want to edit and start editing. Sometimes it's already edited fully, sometimes it's not, so you have to check whether you need to edit your caption. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.